start from the outside. So we're doing a PRP for this patient, kind of bio PRP. So this patient was asking us about the different types of PRP, and one of the important aspects of doing the PRP is to spin the blood correctly. So we have a staff, she's trained for this, and the blood is collected and it's spun around. Yeah, and then it's loaded onto these diabetic syringes, so they have very small needles, and then it's pricked all around so that the PRP is deposited at the follicular base. Now, yes, we're doing this for patients as hair prevention, now hair loss prevention, but in this particular patient, this patient already had hair transplantation done, and so we also do it for patients after hair transplantation. You know, the third time, yes. So this is the third time for him. Can you just tell us if this has been useful for you?
Yeah, of course.
It has been useful, okay, that's nice to know. And this is your third sitting now? Okay, perfect. Yeah, we see the improvement ourselves as well. So it's a pretty good adjuvant to have after hair transplantation. It's also good for patients who are having a lot of hair loss. The real big advantage is that it's totally like, you know, the patient's own blood is turned into PRP, so there are no side effects. There's some pain, however, when we give the block. Some of the patients do tell us that there is some pain, especially when we're giving the initial prick. And for some patients, we've had a couple of them for whom the swelling has come down around the eye and they had difficulties in keeping the eyes open in the first few hours. But apart from that, there's been no issues. So it's a very safe procedure as well. We're doing it monthly. Monthly once for our patients. Yeah, so that's it. It's a day care procedure. நீங்க பொதுவா பண்ணிட்டு உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு நாள் கழிச்சு எவ்வளவு நேரம் கழிச்சு கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிளா இருக்கும்?
எனக்கு வந்து வேற சில டிஃபிகல்ட்டிஸ் ஒன்றும் ஃபீல் பண்ணல.
No difficulties.
Just another
some patients have told us there is some like heaviness. You have any heaviness? No heaviness also. Okay, that's good. Yeah, one or two of my patients have told me that they feel some little heaviness after the PRP. That's also because we are injecting some fluid, you know, and some local anesthesia. Yeah. But not all, like you not felt, so that's okay. And anything else you felt like any swelling in the eye or nothing? No. That's nice. Yeah, most of us patients are not feeling anything, but just to cross-check for our other viewers to understand that.
I think there are some other medical issues
Absolutely, yeah. So if you have high blood pressures, we just screen all of that. But still, you know, sometimes body is such, you know, doesn't. It's not just 1 + 1 2 for everybody. For any medical procedure, it's like that. Slight variation happens from individual to individual. So it's excellent growth seen now for you actually from the time I saw you last.
Yes, sir.
5
months is
yeah. Also depends on patient care and patient motivation. A lot of other factors, you know, for the success of any treatment for that matter.
But anyway, after 1 or 2 years, begin most of them is going to transplantation, but people is now is aware.
And the bio, see, the biggest factor we are having is fear and pain, and all of that is what people fear, you know. Once they know it's a safe thing, less to worry.
Actually, any problem why the people are going to back?
Charges of
Medispa.
Yeah.
Rajasthan. They're charging per graft is 50 rupees.
Yes.
Then 4,000 graft is 5,000 graft is how much is going?
2 lakhs.
Then they're charging for the nursing station is 20 charge.
Yeah.
And 2 days is staying there is extra charge. But like
what happens is, you know, when you have a nice name, when you have a lot of patients coming, and then people tend to do that. It's the way business works, right? In a way, because initially I think everybody wants to make sure the patients are good and all that. Once more and more people come, little bit of that happens. But I'll tell you, it's less in hair transplantation because the competition is a lot.
Very, very low.
Now we've got a lot of players doing good results at reasonable prices, at affordable rates.
And best result.
Yeah. See, in 2014, when we started here properly, to now, I'll tell you, our rates are less.
No, because you are doing it. You're doing here, transplantation is more.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, it hasn't increased because of the competition, because of various factors. The sleeves costs have come down. So a lot of factors.
Many patients are in here, so the diagnostics are like that. The people are going to the special.
Many are doing that.
And,
Because traditionally also, the big cities like, Delhi
and Pune and
some of the big cities, they have been doing this for long periods of time.